Okay everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to create Netflix account in 2025 on the iPhone. Okay, and to do that you need to download Netflix app to your iPhone. After that just open the app, and after that just select this create Netflix account here, select on it. After that, the app will bring you to the Safari. Press continue. And now press create Netflix account. Press next. Input the email address. Okay, please make sure that you use the active email address that you are using, and next time if you want to reset the Netflix password you need to log into your email, and Netflix will send email to you to reset the password or change any option to your Netflix account. Okay, now just press next. And you can consider save password or never for this website or not now. So I just save the password and then press next to choose your plan. Okay, so we have option to choose mobile. Let's select on it. 480p and only 2.99. 780p monthly price $3.99. Standard $7.99. Most popular premium with the 4K and HDR $9.99. Okay, and I select the standard one. Okay, for the standard one only 2 devices can watch at the same time, and for the most popular you can share up to 4 more devices. Okay, watch at the same time. Okay, so I still consider standard one because I only use for myself. It's up to your choice. Okay, after that press next. Choose how to pay. Okay, after that you need to fill in your card information, so we'll skip this page, and after fill your information select agree and press start membership. Okay, after I press start membership we will meet again. Okay, after that you need to input the phone number to help you recover your account whenever anything error to your Netflix account. So after that press next. Okay, what device will you are watching on? I'm gonna watch on the computer, phone, tablet, TV. Okay, and then scroll down a little bit and press next. Okay, and after that you can create the profile that have the file profile. So now I just use my current profile first, test video, and then you can change the name or add the profile. For example, this is a test 02, and then we just create only one of these and press next. So this profile not gonna use for my children or kids, so I not gonna take it, and then press next. Okay, and which language would you like program to film in? Okay, I prefer English, and you can tick more. You can see there are some more language that you can tick. Okay. So I tick only English, and then press next. Select 3 category of the movie that I like, so I prefer this one, and animation, finish. Okay, so now we can back to the Netflix app. Open the Netflix app. Sign in. And now use the email and the password that you just create. And after that, press sign in. Okay, now select your profile, test video 1. Play a video. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can create the Netflix account on the iPhone in 2025. And it is different from the last time I create the Netflix account. We can create the account through the Netflix app, but this time we need to go to the Safari and create it on the Netflix web page. And now that is all for today's video, and I hope you got everything that you want in this video for how you create your own Netflix account. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.